Hi guys, welcome back for another YouTube video. So today I am joined by my beautiful cousin Husna. So I'm currently in Nigeria, and yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to do a video with her where she does my turbans. And I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, then yesterday I posted on my story she decided that she wanted to do my mom's turban for her, and it was the funniest thing ever. So I thought, perfect video idea, let's get her to do my turbans. She wants to say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so yeah, let's get straight into it. So guys, so yeah, I'm just gonna give her free reign and let her do what she wants to do. So getting ready. In let me kneel down. And sorry for the funny light, I didn't obviously bring my lights with me and stuff, so we're relying on daylight. Oh my god. Oh dear, hold on, let me zoom in. Literally just poked my eye out. When I don't know when the finish. So I just asked her what this style's called, and she said, I'll see you when it's finished. I came for my uncle's wedding, so we are in Zaria right now. The wedding was in Zaria. And yeah, but it was nice. It was very like low-key. They didn't have like a reception or anything, which is annoying, but you know, each to their own. Oh my god. Cake is so clean. Ooh, my eyes. Thank you. She's the cutest. Yeah, ooh. And I couldn't be bothered with makeup today, so I was just like, just do the eyebrows. Oh my dear. I had the best first day in Abuja. I met up with Aisha of Aisha's Kitchen and Zuleika of Artistry by Z. We had the best time. It was so nice. Like, they showed me around to the different parts of Abuja and stuff, and it was the first time that I met with Aisha. But yeah, it's like we knew each other forever because we've been talking forever as well, so it was lovely. Wow, Hussy. Hey, thank you. This is looking nice. Okay. I'll just ask her if she's nearly finished. Wow. She's the most adorable little girl, but she can be so noisy. Angama? Oh my god. So this is it from the side, guys. Oh my god, I think I've got a successor from the back and from the other side. Here you go, thank you. Woo! Because I remember when so she'll do me another style just to showcase her wide skill set of Ashi. Kimon ubansu. Ubansu yanzu zaki mai kyau wanda kowa zai ta tambaya na waye mu. Sai ji amma bata tsola ido. Excuse the funny house, guys. Shigo tana kusa da ni. Just watch the concentration on her face. To muscle? Where a muscle? Oh my god, I've taught her well. It's so funny as well, like my auntie came yesterday and she was like, Aisha made turbans. She was saying that like, she watches all my turban videos and stuff. And I like literally had no idea that people like any of my family here watched it. So that was quite nice. And my mum was like showing all her sisters and my grandma and everything like my YouTube videos. So cute. Angga? Oh my god, when the guy but everything in Gabamba. Oh. Ah! It's gonna take my head off. Naam! Naam! Let's pause it. Okay, we're back. This is literally this has literally been like me this whole time that I've been in Zaria, just constantly people coming, Aisha, this person's here to say hi, this person's here to say this. It's nice though, it's nice being in and amongst everybody really. But it's also tiring because it's just not a holiday. But you know, we thank God we ain't complaining. Ooh, this feels really relaxing actually when she's playing with my head. Angga? They can't see your beautiful face. Wow. This is lovely. Look at this, guys. She's actually giving me inspiration. Look. Do you like it? Let me know down below which one you like. Is it nice or human? The Mariam Babingira. Can someone in she? When you can chase 400 style in the. And you know Kyoto? Okay. I'm showing her one that I want her to do. Nice or human Haka. Zakia. I've just told her that I want to do this old Mariam Babingira style, which is what they call that kind of top style that I have been doing. Ko zaki dauko dan kwalin abin nan. So this dress that I'm wearing doesn't actually come with a scarf, so I'm just gonna get to use one from a different one. So shiki and yay come na Mariam Babingira. So ba shi zaki yi bana Mariam Babingira? Ooh. I look like a village girl. Come on, back. Oh yeah. Come. Lila Shaki man da Mariam Babingira. Oh, she didn't know Mariam Babingira? Oh, to Kima one more. Same Magama. Duk kowanne kike so wanda kamar zan je biki. She just asked me what kind of style I want, so I said like do me a style that I'd wear to a wedding or to an occasion. I think biki is not a wedding. House of Pro here. Ooh. Not sure the cow. Yeah, one day not a kyau. And for all you guys telling me that I can't speak Hausa, I totally can. Oh my god, just putting my under scarf thing on. Yeah, I can speak it fluently. It's just that it's not the language that comes the like not easiest, but I don't know. Sometimes I'll be speaking Hausa, but I'll have to throw English in there as well because there's some words I don't really know. I can speak it fluently though, other than that. So, Angama? Amazing. Thank you, Husna. Thank you, my baby. How beautiful is she?
I want to.
No, so Zaki, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.